Okay, so I just came across this framework called EnrichMCP, and it's doing some fascinating stuff for AI agents.
Oh, really? What's it all about? I mean, what makes it stand out?
It's like an ORM for AI. You know how SQL Alchemy organizes data? EnrichMCP does the same, but for AI agents to navigate data.
Wait, so you're saying AI can understand data relationships without extra work? That's wild.
Exactly. It automatically handles relationships between entities, like users, orders, products, you name it.
So it essentially gives AI a semantic layer to work with? Wow, that changes everything.
Right? And it generates type tools from your data models, like instant APIs from your existing structures.
Okay, so I can see an API emerging without writing it from scratch. That's a serious time saver.
Totally. The fact that it validates inputs and outputs with pedantic models is icing on the cake.
No way. So every interaction is type safe? That's a game changer for data integrity.
Yes, and what's cool is it works with just about any backend, databases, APIs, or even custom logic.
Versatility seems like a big draw, but what if someone doesn't have SQL Alchemy? How do they implement it?
Great question. You can still wrap existing REST APIs with semantic understanding. It's super flexible.
Really? So even without an ORM, you can still take advantage of this neat framework?
Exactly. You define your entities and relationships, and voila! AI can navigate like a pro.
That gives me chills. Imagine the level of automation we'd achieve. It sounds almost too good to be true.
Right? And adding custom business logic is just as easy, like creating analytical insights on user data.
Wow, so you can model user behavior, predict churn, and fetch analytics without additional friction.
Exactly. Imagine defining a method like calculating a user's lifetime value. AI handles it all.
Picturing this is fascinating. You practically hand over the keys for AI to drive your data.
Yeah, and with features like automatic schema discovery, you can explore your data model in one call.
Hold on, you're telling me that AI can instantly see the entire schema? Talk about insight on demand.
Exactly. It makes it feel like AI has a map of your data landscape, making navigation seamless.
So there's no more guesswork involved? Wow, that's a huge leap for developers.
And it even handles pagination. You can manage large datasets elegantly, too.
I love that. Managing large sets has always been a pain point. This really simplifies things.
Totally. Plus, they built in authentication and context passing, so everything stays secure and managed.
Okay, but think about this. What if we compare this with traditional approaches? It's like night and day.
Absolutely. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. The capability is next level.
That's a perfect analogy. The way we interact with data just transformed entirely.
And honestly, the onboarding for new developers becomes much more efficient with such tools.
Isn't it wild how EnrichMCP can drive innovation while cutting down on development time?
Totally. It's like having an entire development team at your fingertips, ready to go.
I'm curious though, what's the adoption speed like for new teams? Can they easily jump in?
Definitely. Quick start examples and detailed docs simplify the learning curve remarkably.
That's reassuring. I mean, if learning something complex becomes easier, it's a win for everyone.
For sure. Just imagine implementing this in various industries like predicting customer behavior in retail.
Right? Instant insight generation could literally reshape business strategies.
And the feedback loop would be almost immediate with AI analyzing outcomes in real time.
I wonder how this framework might evolve as AI continues to develop. The future looks bright.
That's the exciting part. EnrichMCP opens a door to possibilities we haven't even explored yet.
So true. Ending with the potential for smarter AI interactions sounds like a thrilling future.
Right? What an exciting journey we're on with AI, to think how far we've come.
For sure. And thinking about EnrichMCP really inspires a lot of future possibilities.
Absolutely. This conversation makes me want to dive deeper into these technologies.
Me too. Can't wait to see where this goes and what we might discover next.
Stay curious, my friend. There's always more to uncover and explore.